This set of slides is on managing individual investor portfolios. So we know that investors all have differing circumstances. They have diverse investment objectives, time horizons, and perceptions of risk. All are subject to tax schedules that have varying degrees of stability and logic. Also, there is increasing attention to private asset management, reflecting both a rising demand for financial services and increased interest in investor behaviour. There is also increased personal responsibility for investing in retirement assets, which further increases the need for professional investment managed at the individual level. So here we are going to be talking about investor characteristics, including situational profile and psychological profiling, the investment policy statement, which some of the key components are to set return and risk objectives and identify constraints. And we'll also be talking about strategic asset allocation and alternative approaches to a strategic asset allocation called Monte Carlo simulations and bootstrap approaches. So our learning outcomes are to explain the role of situational and psychological profiling in understanding an individual investor, formulate and justify an investment policy statement for an individual investor, determine the strategic asset allocation that is most appropriate for an individual investor's specific investment objectives and constraints, and compare Monte Carlo and traditional deterministic approaches to retirement planning, and explain the advantages of a Monte Carlo approach.